To close your Moomoo account, first, log into your Moomoo app or website. Navigate to your account settings, which you can usually find by clicking on your profile icon or menu options. Look for the section labeled Account Management or Account Settings. Within this section, you will see the option to close your account. Before proceeding, ensure that you withdraw any remaining funds and settle any outstanding transactions. It is important to have a zero balance to avoid any issues when closing your account. Take note of any personal data or investment records you may want to keep, as closing your account may lead to permanent loss of access to this information. Once you are ready, select the option to close your account. The platform may prompt you with a confirmation message, so be sure to read it carefully. You might need to provide a reason for closing your account, but this step varies by platform. Follow the remaining instructions until you receive a confirmation that your account has been successfully closed. Lastly, consider checking your email for a closure confirmation message from Moomoo to ensure everything was processed accurately. If you encounter any issues during the closure process, don't hesitate to reach out to Moomoo customer support for assistance.